Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Azure AD tenant, assigning Intune licenses, and granting the necessary admin role so policies can apply. Once done, set MDM authority and enable automatic enrollment for Windows, Android, and iOS so devices register without manual steps. Make sure to create device groups. Use dynamic rules for OS, ownership, or department, because targeted groups simplify policy rollout and reduce errors when assigning configurations and apps. Now you build compliance policies that enforce OS minimums, encryption, passcodes, and anti-malware requirements so devices meet security posture targets. Next, create configuration profiles for Wi-Fi, VPN, certificates, and Windows update rings. These streamline connectivity and patch behavior. Then package and add your apps, Win32, Store, and mobile apps, and assign them as required or available to the device groups you made earlier. This ensures software reaches users consistently and reduces support tickets. Finish by actively monitoring device compliance, deployment status, and endpoint analytics to catch issues early. Once you spot non-compliant devices, use conditional access and proactive remediation scripts in Endpoint Manager to automate fixes. This keeps risk low while minimizing manual work. If something fails, verify policy assignment, enrollment state, logs, and network connectivity. Those account for most problems. Then reapply the profile or re-enroll the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.